Many men spend a lifetime trying to be strong. Strong for their families. Strong in silence. Strong through pain. But too often, in the pursuit of being unbreakable, they forget to be well. And their marriage quietly begins to weaken too. After 60, a man's well-being is not just about his body, it's about his emotional presence, his purpose, and the quiet space he shares with his partner. Doctors and therapists now agree, men's health and relationship strength are deeply linked. When one declines, the other follows. But when a man prioritizes both, healing happens on both sides. Here are 3 essential factors every man should focus on to improve his well-being and build a stronger marriage in his later years. It is easy to ignore small pains, to sit more, move less, and say, "I'm just getting old." But physical health is not just for survival. It is for showing up fully in your relationship. A 2022 study by the Cleveland Clinic found that men who exercised 3 times a week, even lightly, reported better moods, improved libido, and higher relationship satisfaction. It's not about six-pack abs. It's about energy, stamina, and showing your spouse you still care, enough to stay healthy for her. Philosopher from Greece, Socrates once said, "No man has the right to be an amateur in the matter of physical training. It is a shame to grow old without seeing the strength of which his body is capable. So move, walk, stretch, not just for yourself, but for the one beside you." Many men grew up believing emotion equals weakness, but silence builds walls, and intimacy cannot grow in the dark. Start simple. Ask how she feels. Say what's on your mind, even if it's awkward. Psychologists from the University of Washington found that older couples who had open emotional communication, even brief moments, were 53% more likely to describe their marriage as happy or renewed compared to those who stayed silent. Philosopher from Denmark, Søren Kierkegaard, once said, "Don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to love others." Speaking is an act of love, not a performance, but a gift of presence, understanding, and care. After retirement, many men feel lost. No schedule, no mission, no validation, and without realizing it, they begin to withdraw, emotionally and physically. But purpose doesn't have to be grand. It can be gardening, mentoring, helping grandchildren, or learning something new. The Journal of Men's Health published findings that older men with a renewed sense of purpose had better hormone balance, lower depression rates, and more fulfilling relationships, even after 65. Philosopher from the United States, Ralph Waldo Emerson, once said, "The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate." Purpose makes you present, and presence makes a marriage stronger. Your body, your voice, your purpose. These are not things to reclaim all at once. They are to be tended to, gently, daily, and with love. A strong marriage after 60 is not about grand gestures. It's about being fully here, healthy in body, open in heart, and alive in spirit. And when you take care of yourself, you are not pulling away from your partner. You are preparing to meet her, again. Because real love grows stronger when the man behind it does too.